orange paleo-ish recipe. This is a ish recipe because I use butter and honey, meaning it is arguable whether or not it's paleo. So if you are a die-hard paleo follower, then please feel free to swap out this grass-fed organic butter for coconut oil. It's a one-to-one swap. The reason why butter is controversial is because it is ultimately dairy. So if that's not your thing, again, you can make that swap. Also, I am using honey in this recipe. And honey is, depending on the literature you follow, honey is okay on paleo in moderation. Otherwise, most people use maple syrup instead. If you want to understand the difference between maple syrup and honey a little bit more, the information is abundant online, but really it just comes down to the glycemic index and the sugar composition. So honey is higher in fructose. Maple syrup is higher and has more sucrose than fructose. Also, maple syrup is lower in the glycemic index, just like by a little bit. Not that big of a deal. So again, for me, I'm not a diehard paleo. I don't count my carbs or anything like that, so I'm okay with honey. I don't want to sacrifice the taste or sweetness. But again, if you are monitoring your sugars, please feel free to make that swap, honey to maple syrup, one-to-one. As always, you can follow along in this video or stop here, and the instructions are listed below. Okay, first step is to add your moist ingredients to your blender. Start with your butter. This butter has been left out at room temperature. Again, if you didn't plan for that, just soften in the microwave. You're going to bring your butter until it's whipped and soft, and then you're going to start layering in your other wet ingredients. Zest our orange next. I have a rasp, and we are looking to just grab the very top layer of the orange peel. You don't want to, just basically the shiny part of the orange, you don't want to go much deeper than that, because then what you're doing is you're grabbing the pith of the orange, the white part, and that is very bitter, not tasty, and doesn't really have any of the tasty orange oils. Add it to your batter, and then we're gonna move on to blueberries. So I've just added my blueberries into the batter, and I am manually incorporating them. Best not to blend them in the mixer, otherwise it will explode your blueberries and break them down. Okay, batter's been evenly distributed into my muffin tray, lined and greased. This will bake for about 30 minutes in my preheated oven, set to 350. 30 minutes have gone by, and my muffins are ready, and they smell so delicious. Well, drop me a line. Let me know how you like my orange blueberry